I am Dr. Catherine Knowlton, a professor in the Department of Dairy Science at Virginia Tech and the judging team coach here. It is an absolutely beautiful day here in Blacksburg, and it's the first day that I have my students out of the classroom and out to the barns practicing dairy judging. This is my dairy cattle evaluation class, and it is also the students that will be trying out for the dairy judging team. Today was just a dry run. Tryouts don't officially start until Friday, but almost by accident this afternoon I discovered 3 things that really seem to relax the students, help them to learn, and get them more ready for the official trying out process. I want to share those with you. So the 3 things that we did this afternoon, 2 of them were in the barn as we judged, and then 1 of them was as we worked on reasons. The first thing is we gave them really easy classes. This is not the time to be challenging them, to really be setting the bar high in terms of distinguishing between the best judges and the next best judges. Give them something easy. I gave them in each class a good cow and a bad cow. The other thing I did today is I gave them classes of 3 cows instead of 4 cows. And that might be something to try, especially if you have some beginner students. Half the students in my class have never judged before, and yet a lot of them will become very viable judging team members. It's interesting. Judging a class of 3 is exponentially easier than judging a class of 4. Am I going to do this through tryouts? Heck no. We don't judge 3 cows in the contest, we judge 4. But today, when I'm trying to build their confidence, teach them the concepts, get them going through the process of taking notes on live cows and giving reasons and doing it again and again, today I gave them classes of 3 cows. They were easy, and it built their confidence big time. The third thing is something I have suggested before, but today it just really seemed to work well. I broke the 20 or so students down into 3 groups. I have 2 other TAs who are helping me. And they had 20 minutes to prep their reasons. The first one came, I gave them 2 things to work on, and then I sent them to the back of the line and had them repeat. And we did that a couple of cycles. It's incredible how much repeat sets help. It's incredible how much better and more confident the kids are the second time around. Again, in the contest, can they do a repeat set? Heck no. But I'm not there yet. It's March. Right now is a time to teach and to build confidence. And those 3 things, giving them super easy classes, giving them classes of 3, and having them do repeat sets of reasons really seem to work out well for us. Maybe it'll help you too. Thanks.